The vision doesn't come from me as the CEO. Sure, I have input into the vision, but so does everybody else. It's a shared vision among the leadership team. People will buy into something that they help create. Now, when you're creating a vision, not a lot of startups have vision statements. And it's vital to keep alignment as you scale. Our vision statement's right up front as you walk in the building. And the vision statement can be anything you want. Where do you want to be in 2 years? Use your imagination. Paint a picture. Whatever that picture is, imagine it in as much detail as possible. Get group buy-in that, hey, here is where we can get as a leadership team. Once you have that buy-in, you build that vision, write it down. Now you're going to figure out, how do we reach that vision? It might seem bold at first, like, wow, that's a long way off. How do we do that? What you do is, we have a process for coming up with different strategic imperatives. We had 6 strategic imperatives in our playbook, and every single person agreed that if we do all 6 of these strategic imperatives, that, hey, we've got to our vision. We did it. And the strategic imperatives are kind of high level, but lower level than the vision statement. And we take strategic objectives, and each strategic imperative is broken out into probably 3 or 4 strategic objectives. Everybody agrees that the strategic imperative is met once you've done the objectives. Last thing is you just do tasks. Each strategic objective has a set of tasks associated with it, with an owner, with a due date. At the end of the day, you have all the tasks necessary over the next 2 years. These are high-level tasks. This isn't a function of micromanagement. This is high-level stuff. And a leader owns the task with a due date. Now you have a self-managing system that gets you to your vision. Every week in my weekly staff meeting, I mean, a 5-year-old could manage the business once you set this up, because it's red light, yellow light, green light on each task. So you know the executives you have that are just killing it. They're superstars, green light every single time. And you know the ones that aren't pulling their weight. And it's not just me, it's them, and it's all of their peers.